Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on my Dresta TD7 Extra. Purchased this dozer last year and I need to do some service on it. Before I get started with the year, I'll show you what I'm going to work on today. I should say hopefully work on today, but here we go. I'll show you what we got. So here it is. Here's my Dresta TD7. We already got the front cover off and the side panels off so we could clean out the front radiator. There's a little bit of dirt in the bottom there, but plan on doing a service on this, change the oil. There's a few other items I wanted to make sure that we got done with this unit before it goes out this year. My shop's a little cold, but it's what I got to work with, so I'll climb up here and I'll show you what the major issue is. Now, right here's the issue. This ROPS has got a bolt in it right there, and originally, when I started operating it, it was really loud and clattering, and I thought it was these brackets that they welded on. Now, keep in mind, they welded these on, but it's not welded to the ROPS. It's just to this front protection structure. So, problem was they were going through woods, and they wanted the tree limbs to go over the top and not get caught in there. The problem is this thing here rattles like that the whole time you're operating it. But I tried to just take this off so I could put something in here, a rubber bushing or something to get rid of it, but this bolt is tight, and I mean tight. So what we're gonna end up doing is right up inside there, I'm gonna put a little heat on it right there and see if I can break that bolt loose. I'm not sure this is gonna work. I'm gonna try to use my brazing tip, because I don't want to put a ton of heat in there, and I don't want it to heat the bolt up. I want to just heat up the outside of this in one spot so that this thing will break loose. If I heat the actual bolt up, it's going to expand the bolt, and then I won't be able to get it out. But I'll set you up here and we'll see what we got. Okay, I got my tools around here. I'm going to get up on here and see what I got. Now, yeah, I'm going to use some WD-40 right here. The 15/16 breaker bar. All I got is 1/2 inch in the size, so I don't have anything 3/4 in the shop yet. I'm still trying to get all my tools around here, but I'll get my torch lit up here and see if I can get some heat on this thing. I don't want to put a ton of heat in here. Oops. That will happen. Nice neutral flame. I got the washer hot. There's a lot of metal right there to try to get warm. I'm going to try to expand the metal on one side so I can reach in here to it. All right, let's see what we got. I don't have a super big wrench. see if I can take my teeth out here. Not moving very good. Not moving good at all. This is a recipe for disaster here. Breaking sockets off, breaking ratchets off. There's a pipe on here, I guess. Try it. Something twisting. I don't like it. Put a little more heat on it. Give it a try. Son of a touchy. Smoke. So we done. Doing to snap something. Something's moving. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, that thing is tight. Usually I like to tunk on these, but this seems like it's gonna go now. It's gonna make me really happy. This thing isn't squeaking all the time. Really like this dozer, but I do not like the rattling, especially when it's something simple like this here. A little bit of heat goes a long ways. Nice. There she is. Beautiful. Yeah, you see where it's been wearing. Wore a flat spot on the top of it on that bolt. I don't know what's I'm gonna put in here. Take up this slack, keep it from vibrating. It's a little warm. See that bolt? That bolt didn't even really get hot. That's what I wanted. I didn't want the bolt to get super hot. Kind of straight the heat around it. No, it's warm, but it ain't hot. Nice. So I got a washer behind it. I think I'm just gonna have to try to build something up around it there and let that bolt cool down. Keep this thing from rattling. What I really want to do. Maybe I can find a piece of rubber, something to slip over that. Plastic maybe. Take up that plastic bushing. Actually, I think I got some bushings from my Harbor Freight stuff, but that I bought, that I might be able to cut and fit in there. But yeah, there she is. You can see where it's been wearing there and it's been wobbling around. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get a bushing or something in there and see what I can do. Okay, so this is what I got. I'm putting a rubber in there right on the outside, and I'm going to try to sandwich this and make it tighter. It does have a washer on the back side, so there's a little wear in there, but it doesn't really rattle that much. I'm just thinking if I could take up some of that space in there, I think I'll be okay, but I'll tighten it up here and see if the rattling quits. All right, line up this other washer. Should put some never sees on that, shouldn't I? Never sees on it so that when I go to take it out again, I don't have the same problem I had this time. All right. Tighten this baby up, see what it does. Hopefully it'll stop rattling. That's the main thing. That rubber's starting to come up in there now. That's basically all I'm using right there. It's a air compressor rubber gasket for when you, the O-ring that goes in there. But I'm thinking it's gonna give me enough vibration here where I can take care of it. Look at that. That is nice. No more rattling. I like it. It's gonna be nice not to have that thing in there rattling around. Yeah. So you can see what I did there was got this rubber in there now. So now it's kind of sandwiching in there. No more rattling. It's gonna be nice. Can't wait. It's gonna be good. Well, there you have it. Hopefully I got that rattling gone. That'll stop driving me nuts now. But it's a good old Dozer here. I'll do a review on it. I'm gonna go ahead and service it up, and there's a few other items I want to do. I'll explain them on another video, but do a couple upgrades to it while it's in the shop for the winter. But wish I had some heat in here. The heater does work, but can't have it going when I'm videoing. So thanks for watching. Remember to please subscribe, and see you on the next one.